I just spent $1,200 at Walmart buying every tire brand they sell. $59 Douglas budget tires, the $120 Goodyear Reliance, and the $200 premium Goodyear tires. All the same size, all tested on the same car. And today, I'm going to push them to their limits to answer a question a lot of drivers have. Are Walmart tires actually a great bargain, or are they something you should avoid completely? Because here's something most people don't realize. Walmart sells tires that cost 2 to 3 times less than many tire shops. Some drivers swear they're the best deal you can get. Others say they're cheap and unsafe. So which one is true? Let's find out. The cheapest option, Douglas tires. First, let's talk about the tire everyone asks about online, Douglas. These cost about $59 each, which means a full set costs only around $236. That sounds incredibly cheap for car tires. But here's the surprising part. Douglas tires are actually made by Goodyear. Yes, the same Goodyear brand that produces some of the most well-known tires in the world. They're manufactured at the Kelly Springfield plant in the United States, which is owned by Goodyear. You can even confirm it by checking the DOT code on the tire sidewall. So if they're made by Goodyear, why are they so inexpensive? We'll talk about that in a moment. First, I wanted to test something much more important, braking performance in wet conditions, because rain is where cheap tires usually reveal their weaknesses. Rain braking test. The road was completely wet. Speed, 60 miles per hour. First test, Douglas tires. I slammed the brakes. The car stopped in 138 feet. Honestly, that surprised me. I expected a much worse result considering how cheap these tires are. But now let's move to the mid-range option, Goodyear Reliance, mid-tier tire. Next up are the Goodyear Reliance tires. These cost about $120 each. They're also a Walmart exclusive tire, meaning Goodyear makes them specifically for Walmart. Same road, same car, same speed. Braking test again. Stopping distance came out to 127 feet. That's 11 feet shorter than the Douglas tires. So by doubling the price, we gained about 11 feet of stopping performance. But now it's time to test the premium option, Goodyear Assurance. These are the Goodyear Assurance all-season tires. They cost around $200 each at Walmart, although many tire shops sell them closer to $300 each. Once again, we repeated the same braking test from 60 miles per hour. Full braking. Stopping distance, 119 feet. That means 8 feet shorter than the Reliance, 19 feet shorter than the Douglas. So here's the comparison. Douglas tires stopped in 138 feet for about $236 per set. Goodyear Assurance tires stopped in 119 feet for around $800 per set. That's a 19-foot difference for an extra $564. But something else I discovered made this test even more interesting, the age discovery. When I checked the manufacturing dates on the tires, I noticed something important. The Douglas tires were made 22 months ago. They had likely been sitting in storage for almost 2 years. The Goodyear Reliance tires were manufactured about 9 months ago. Better, but still not extremely fresh. The Assurance tires, however, were produced just 6 weeks ago, almost brand new. Why does this matter? Because tire rubber slowly ages even when it's not being used. Over time, the oils inside the rubber evaporate and the compound becomes harder. Harder rubber means less grip, especially in wet conditions. So part of the reason the Douglas tires are cheaper could be because Walmart sometimes sells older inventory. You save money, but the tire might already be 1 or 2 years into its life. What Douglas tires actually are. There's a common belief online that Douglas tires are just rebranded Goodyear tires. That's not completely accurate. Douglas tires are manufactured by Goodyear, but they use older tread designs, simpler construction, and cheaper rubber compounds. Think of it like buying a budget version of an older product. It still comes from the same company, but it doesn't include the latest technology. That's why reviews online are very mixed. Some drivers say their Douglas tires lasted 50,000 miles. Others say they wore out extremely quickly. The difference may come down to how old the tire was when purchased. Goodyear Reliance, the mid-tier tire. Next up are the Goodyear Reliance tires. These cost about $120 each. They're also a Walmart exclusive tire, meaning Goodyear makes them specifically for Walmart. Same road, same car, same speed. Braking test again. The stopping distance came out to 127 feet.
That's 11 feet shorter than the Douglas tires. So by doubling the price, we gained about 11 feet of stopping performance. But now it's time to test the premium option, cost per mile comparison. Let's break it down. A set of Reliance tires costs around $480 and lasts about 45,000 miles. That equals roughly 1.07 cents per mile. A premium set of tires costs around $800 and lasts 65,000 miles. That equals about 1.23 cents per mile. So even though the premium tires last longer, the Reliance tires are still slightly cheaper per mile. But there's something important to remember. Most tire warranties are extremely difficult to claim. You must have perfect records for tire rotations, maintenance, and alignment. If anything is missing, the warranty can easily be denied. So real-world tire life is often more important than the warranty number.
If you enjoyed this video, I've got another one for you that can help protect your tires and save you thousands of dollars. The video is right here on your screen. Never use 32 psi tire pressure, destroying your tires fast. Make sure you check it out. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss these tips that can save your car and your money.